The Apple TV 4K is the most expensive streaming box on the market, and yet, it is the only one that actually respects your time. Most people look at the price tag and laugh. They say, why would I pay nearly $200 for a box when my smart TV already has Netflix? Why would I buy this when a Roku stick costs $30? But those people are missing the point entirely. They are living in a world of lag, data tracking, and hardware that expires in 2 years. Today, we are peeling back the curtain on the Apple TV 4K. We're going deep into why this isn't just a luxury. It's the only logical choice for anyone who actually cares about their home theater experience. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've ever felt the frustration of a smart TV menu stuttering or an app crashing right in the middle of a movie, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Most modern TVs are sold at a loss because the manufacturers make their real money by selling your data. They track what you watch, how long you watch it, and then they serve you ads. The Apple TV 4K is the antidote to that entire broken system. It's the silent powerhouse in your living room. And as we move into 2026, the gap between what this box can do and what your smart TV can do has become a canyon. Think about the processor. Inside this sleek, fanless black box sits a chip that is more powerful than the laptops most people were using 5 years ago. We are talking about silicon that doesn't just play video, it masters it. It processes HDR10+ and Dolby Vision with a precision that cheaper sticks simply cannot match. When you watch a dark, moody scene in a film like Dune or The Batman, a cheap processor struggles to map those shadows. You get crushed blacks and digital noise. But the Apple TV 4K treats every frame like a piece of art. It's the difference between looking through a dirty window and standing in the room. But the hardware is only half the story. The real reason people become obsessed with this device is the Apple Silk experience. The user interface is the only one in the world that runs at a consistent 60 frames per second. It sounds like a small detail until you use it. Every swipe on that Siri remote feels instantaneous. There is no thinking time. There is no loading icon. You click, and you are there. In an age where our attention spans are being pulled in 1,000 directions, that lack of friction is worth its weight in gold. Let's talk about that remote. For years, the Apple TV remote was the most hated piece of tech in the world. It was a glass sliver that disappeared into couch cushions and broke if you looked at it wrong. But the new Siri remote changed the game. It's heavy. It's tactile. It uses a circular gesture that pays homage to the classic iPod click wheel. It feels like a tool, not a toy. And with the integration of Find My, you'll never lose it again. It's these small, intentional fixes that prove Apple is listening to the power users. But why now? Why is the Apple TV 4K more relevant in the US market today than it was 3 years ago? It's because the streaming wars have entered a new phase. We are no longer just choosing between Netflix and Hulu. We are managing dozens of subscriptions, live sports, and cloud gaming. The up next row on Apple TV is the only unified dashboard that actually works. It pulls your progress from HBO, Disney+, and Amazon Prime into one clean line. It remembers where you left off, regardless of which app you were using.